Halloween is around the corner, and are you creating a horror video? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create horror and creepy videos by using assets and sound effects in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future. First, import your media to the Media tab, and as you can see, I've prepared 2 videos and 2 audios, including 1 sound effect and music. Drag the music onto the timeline, and drag the footage I've provided on top of the music. Play it through, and you'll see it's not scary enough. Now let's add some assets to make it look scary. Head over to the Effects tab and select the Halloween collection on the left. You'll see tons of Halloween-related effects here. As my footage is a first-person view, I'll add this goggle overlay with blood on it on top of my footage to create a surreal look. Next, I'll also add this overlay for the last video clip, as it looks surreal with the fingerprints and glitches. Once we did that, let's head over to the Titles tab and select a suitable one. I'll search for blood, as I want titles with a creepy feel. I'll use this and drag it right above the overlay of the second clip. Double-click on it and click on Advanced to edit the text here. I'll remove the preset video and change the text to Happy Halloween and adjust the font size. Once we did that, click OK and back to the main timeline. Change the position of the titles if needed, and adjust the title forward a bit to match the text reveal sequence. Then, drag the music to below and make 4 empty tracks above it. I'm thinking to add some clock bell sound. Search bell under the audio tab and drag this to the first track. I'll duplicate it again on the second and third tracks. Now let's add a breathing sound effect to show the nervousness of the person. I've prepared one here. Drag and drop it on the 4th track. I'll add a hit sound effect when we cut to the second clip. Let's search trailer, and I'll use the first one and place it right after the first clip. Add a fade out and shorten the hit. Then I'll adjust the duration of the text to match the hit sound. And there you have it, a first-person view horror video. If you'd like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom left of the video to get the project files. Then replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel, and comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.